States often engage in routine voter roll cleanup, a process of deleting registrations meant to take people off who have moved, died, or stopped voting. Researchers at Harvard's Public Interest Tech Lab wanted to find out how accurate this process was, and chose the state of Ohio to study over a 5-month period. In the months leading up to the 2024 U.S. presidential election, the state planned to remove nearly 160,000 voter registrations, so researchers tracked these voters over 5 months, checking weekly updates to Ohio's publicly available official voter list. They introduced a new way to measure mistakes, called the Erroneous Removal Rate, which looks at how many people were removed who then had to re-register with the same name and address just to vote. They found that statewide, between 1 and 1.5% of voters on the list were mistakenly taken off. This might seem insignificant, but it means around 2,000 eligible voters had to jump through extra hoops to cast a ballot. And in some places, like Girard and Trumbull, there was an error rate as high as 7 and 9%, much higher than the statewide average. The study shows Ohio did better than other states did in past years, but also highlights where mistakes still happen, especially in certain communities. The findings suggest that better transparency and ongoing data monitoring are key to keeping voter rolls accurate without unfairly blocking people from voting.